How you going, guys? I've got the flu, so I sound a bit fucked, but just want to show you a new way I've been flushing the motor at home. I've just got this 100 litre, well, it started off as 200 litre drum, cut it in half, 100 litre, put some salt wash in there, just got the hose, topping up the levels because the water's spitting out the tail there. You can see I've got some salt wash in there, it's foaming up a bit, but just gets the coolant temp nice and hot. Flush all that salt out. I just find that once the water doesn't get hot enough, and I figure warm water is the best thing to get salt water off there. And I'll just show you what the temp on the gauge is running at. I can zoom in there. Come on, focus, yeah, bitch. Coolant down 83. So it's getting a little bit warm, but I figure that's the best way to get the salt out of the bloody motor there. I don't do this all the time, but I find that this should help if I do it once in a while. Cheers, guys.